Anthony, hopefully a quiet night as well.
Yeah, I mean, definitely. We've got no clouds out there right now, Janice, so the picture changing, and not necessarily how it feels changing a whole lot. It's still fairly humid, but that will change tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. That's when this drier air starts to settle into the Midwest, the Great Lakes, including West Michigan. Kind of a little bit of a hazy look out there on that camera lens. And yeah, that's because we've got dew points that are only a couple degrees away from the actual air temperatures, which means that the relative humidity values are high. And when you have that, typically maybe you've got some haze out there, but starting to get cleaned out is this air mass towards daybreak. 58 degrees we drop to. Rise back to 71 and 74. That'll be our max temp tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies. That means a mixture of sun and clouds, but no clouds around at the start. Aaron and Janice, we will have no clouds. It's going to be completely blue skied. By late morning and afternoon, we'll start to pop some of those fair weather cumulus clouds once again. 66 is what we've got on the board. 65 the dew point, so it's actually closer than I had recalled by looking at those observations. So yeah, very close. The actual reading on a thermometer to the dew point value. And as I say, that means that the relative humidity is very high. Any showers and thunder showers now really have gone beyond the Detroit area in terms of the severe weather, but still some straggling showers and embedded maybe thunder or lightning here or there to the north and south of Detroit. We'll go wider scope. You can see a cold front has been pressing on through, but it's not immediate that the cooler and drier air does arrive. That'll take through this overnight and into tomorrow morning. This future track model, this is called the graph model, one of many, one of a whole suite of models that we take a look at, but they're all pretty much going to say the same thing for tonight and tomorrow, and that is no clouds around to begin the day on Wednesday. We'll pop a few into the afternoon. You can see the model starting to pick up on some of those white and gray colors out and about, and that is the sign that we will have some of those scattered clouds, particularly in the afternoon. Clearing out overnight tonight. We've already done that, really. Cooler temperatures, a pop-up sprinkle. I didn't mention that yet. What's going on there? Well, a pop-up sprinkle or shower perhaps late day into tomorrow evening. There's still some subtle low pressure overhead behind this system tonight. A little trough of low pressure swinging on through. It doesn't have any moisture to work with, but we could get a sprinkle underneath a darker cloud late tomorrow afternoon into the evening. Really the same story on Thursday, but understand the bulk of those days are going to be basically rain-free. Warmer again by the weekend. And how about that Lake Michigan forecast? Head waves at 5 to 78 feet today. Not quite as high tomorrow, but still quite high, 4 to 6 feet. Small craft advisories, rip currents, the whole deal. Stay off the beaches because you might be tempted to go in the water. Not a good idea for Wednesday. Temperatures right now mid-60s. Winds have come way down, not just from the winds associated with the gusts from the storms, but also the synoptic scale winds today. The large scale wind pattern was just quite brisk, and that's the reason we had those waves to 5 to 8 feet today. Temperatures across the country. Here's that cooler lobe of air coming down behind this system that brought the storms earlier today. Those green colors showing you some pretty chilly air actually for the season. The overnights down into the lower 50s, the daytime highs lower 70s tomorrow and Thursday, and then warmer air comes back pretty quickly. So that'll surge in really Saturday and Sunday is when we climb back into the lower 80s. Maybe that gets flattened a little bit on Monday, but then Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, look at this, another little blast of warmth arriving, and that means a multi-day stretch at or above 80 degrees starting Saturday. No big systems. Aaron and Janice, I had a shower on Saturday. Yesterday, really the last couple days. Guess it's not impossible. There could be a sprinkle late day into the evening. Nothing big, though. Looks like now maybe the best chance for a shower comes in on Monday.
All right, Anthony, thanks.